Hello everyone, my name is Brian. So today I'm going to talk about my recent report, which mainly focus on the source of infection and transmission characteristic of the current outbreak of the COVID-19. So the research question may address in this report is to identify the difference and the similarity between the SARS in 2003 and the current outbreaks. So the report is designed to collect data source from different statistics researches and debugs. The primary method is to use an online database to search the latest report within weeks after the first cases of the COVID-19 appeared in Wuhan, China. As a result, the SARS coronavirus, they all derived from bats. So bats are the only mammal which capable of fly. Some of species have evolved related to the primates. These bats-derived pathogens are more likely to infect humans. However, evidence also suggests that the bats may not be the direct carrier. An intermediate host is also involved. So let's talk about the transmission route of the coronavirus 2 is mainly through the respiratory droplet and close contact. The report also indicates that the live virus has been detected in feces and urine in patients. Therefore, besides the route of the oral-fecal transmission, other transmission routes are also possible. By comparison, all the data collected, both SARS-CoV-2 and SARS-CoV-1 belong to the same virus type and are capable of transmission from person to person. So the SARS-CoV-2 has similar transmission capability than SARS-CoV-1, but with a lower mortality rate. Up to now, the source of infection is mainly from pneumonia patients infected with coronavirus. The patients infected with the coronavirus sometimes do not develop fever or obvious respiratory symptoms. Therefore, the evidence suggests that asymptomatic infection may also carry SARS-CoV-2 virus as the source of infection. So, therefore, it's kind of important to do the quarantine procedure for 14 days. By comparison with the outbreak of the SARS-CoV-1 in 2003, both viruses transmit through the respiratory tract. However, the SARS-CoV-1 is relatively acute. The incubation period is relatively short, and the symptoms are more severe. So overall, the mortality rate of SARS-CoV-1 is close to 10%. In comparison, because of the relative long incubation period and least a severe syndrome, the ongoing SARS-CoV-2 has less mortality rate and higher infection rate. So until February 27, coronavirus has infected approximately 8,000 people around the world and killed more than 3,000 people. But fortunately, epidemic in China has been well controlled. As for now, the complete transmission route of the SARS-CoV-2 is still unclear. The possibility of other transmission routes, such as oral-fecal transmission, needs further investigation. Therefore, to obtain direct evidence, the further research may need to apply. Sometime animal experiments related transmission methods may all need to be considered. I think that's all for my report, and thank you everyone. Have a good day.